The wait for the GoPro Max 2 has been longer than expected. It was supposed to launch in late 2024, but now it's delayed until 2025. That's a long time to wait. Especially when competitors like Insta360 are already ahead. Their latest X4 camera shoots in 8K and has some of the best features for 360 video, so now GoPro has to do something big to stay relevant. Some leaked images show a totally new design for the Max 2. It looks like GoPro has made some major changes, but is that enough to make up for the long delay with new competition and rising expectations? GoPro can't afford to play it safe. They need to bring something that sets them apart from the rest, so what can we expect from the Max 2? Let's go over everything we know so far and see if it's worth the wait. The GoPro Max 2 was expected last year, but now it's coming later. The company says it's due to development issues, but they haven't shared details. It could be hardware changes or software improvements, or maybe they're making sure it can compete with Insta360's latest cameras. Whatever the reason, this delay is giving Insta360 more time to lead the market. Some leaks give us clues about the new design. A photo from Quadro News shows a totally different look, with cooling fins that could mean better heat management and a more powerful processor. It might even go beyond 8K resolution to match or beat the X4. If that happens, it would be a huge leap for GoPro, and could make the Max 2 the best option for creators who need top-tier image quality. Another possible change is the lens placement. The first GoPro Max had offset lenses, which made stitching footage harder. Now the lenses look more centered like Insta360's cameras. If true, this could mean smoother video with less stitching issues. This is important because one of the biggest problems with the first Max was how difficult it was to get seamless 360 video. If GoPro fixes this, it could attract more professionals, and casual users who want an easy-to-use camera. Battery life is another area where GoPro needs to improve. The first Max struggled with short battery life, especially when recording in high resolution. If GoPro can introduce better battery efficiency along with improved cooling, it could make the Max 2 a much more reliable camera for long shooting sessions. If GoPro wants to take the lead again, it needs to step up in a few areas. It needs higher resolution because the first Max only had 5.6K, which is outdated now. If GoPro can push past 8K, it could make a huge impact. Most creators now expect higher resolution because it allows for better editing and cropping without losing quality. With 8K or higher, the Max 2 could offer some of the sharpest footage in the industry. Editing 360 video takes time, so better reframing tools could help. A smart A-powered reframing tool would make it easier for users to get the best shots without spending hours editing. GoPro already has some of the best software in the action camera market, but they need to take it further by adding more automated editing features. If users can quickly turn their footage into smooth cinematic shots with a few taps, it will be a big selling point. Heat is another issue. Recording at high resolution generates a lot of heat. And Insta360 cameras have struggled with overheating. Those cooling fins in the leaked images suggest GoPro has found a solution that could mean longer recording times without overheating problems. Creators who shoot long videos will appreciate this because overheating is one of the biggest issues with compact cameras. Another problem might be GoPro's legal fight with Insta360. Both companies are involved in patent disputes, and that could be slowing down the launch. At the same time, GoPro has been investing in research and development. It hasn't done anything groundbreaking with its hero cameras recently. So maybe all the effort has been going into making the Max 2 a big upgrade. It's hard to say if the GoPro Max 2 will be a huge leap forward or just a small upgrade. The delay is frustrating, and Insta360 has had a head start. But if GoPro delivers better resolution, smarter software, improved stitching, and longer battery life, it could still be a big contender in the 360 camera space. So now the big question, is the GoPro Max 2 going to be worth the wait? Or has GoPro taken too long to compete? Insta360 is moving fast with new features and better hardware, and they've had a huge advantage while GoPro has been delaying its release. If the Max 2 doesn't bring something game-changing, it could struggle to stand out in a market that's already evolving quickly, but there's still hope. GoPro has a strong reputation for making solid action cameras, and they might surprise us with something that changes the game if they can deliver 8K resolution, a powerful processor, better cooling, and smarter software. Then the Max 2 could be a major hit. For now, all we can do is wait and see. What do you think? Did GoPro wait too long, or will the Max 2 be worth it when it finally comes out? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned to Factic for more updates on the latest tech.